honestly, if you first of all, putting everyone on Ozempic is just insane, especially kids, but that's what they wanna do. But if you really wanna change anything, it's just diet and exercise, and it doesn't have to be that hard. Cut out carbs, but we made billions of dollars off of it, so we're good. Same thing with SSRI, same thing with statins. Oh god, those are terrible for you. But we'll get into that in another stream.
On the metformin, to get on the Ozempic, which is now being recommended. They're pushing for 6 years old and up for if your child is overweight, lifetime.
Can you imagine that? By the way, a 6-year-old, hey, instead of telling them to go outside and get some exercise, right? Let's just give them a shot. A 6-year-old. Man, I saw a couple young kids. I mean, I'm seeing it more and more now. Not so much where I work, but just out and about. I start noticing it more now that I've been like in the medical field and like seeing this stuff and diving more into this kind of things and how a lot of these everything's just pushing towards like getting everyone on a drug. But I've been noticing like how fat our kids are now, and I'm like, God, that's not something that happened many years ago. That's not even when I was a kid, there was always chubby kids, right? But there wasn't like lots of them. And I'm talking like where they look like the Michelin Man. You know what I mean? Like, and there's multiple of them. So what is that? It's probably something in our food, right? But no one wants to talk about that. No one. That's why we're going to talk about it, because no one else wants to talk about it.
And prescription Ozempic. That's very profitable. So you have basically the free market at work. I think capitalism is the greatest invention in human history. But just looking agnostically at the incentives, it's as many pills as we can give that kid, as much we can keep that.
Thanks, Mumford. Appreciate it.
Kid in fear, as much as we can keep that kid sick without dying right away. That's what's fueling the largest industries in the country.